Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings error on Roblox. The issue is you need to fix your settings. For you to do that, log into your account, go onto your top right corner, and then click on settings. After the settings come up, then you have to go to privacy and content restrictions. After you go there, go to content maturity. After you go here, make sure that you raise this bar to restricted. But for you to do that, you need to verify with your email address. So just make sure you verify with your email. This is where you enter your email address and then verify if you can access the other games you couldn't access. After you do that, then press continue. It's done.